Cancer, often referred to as the silent killer, has emerged as the leading cause of death worldwide, casting a daunting shadow over the global population. In recent years, groundbreaking studies have uncovered a startling revelation. Even some of our most beloved and popular foods may be harboring the potential to trigger this dreaded disease. As you sit here, reading this article, it's possible that you've recently indulged in one of these insidious culprits without even realizing it. From the innocent-looking refined sugar to the savory comfort of smoked meats, the list of cancer-causing foods is disconcertingly extensive. The bitter truth about refined sugar. Refined sugar, often touted as a sweet delight, has earned a rather sinister nickname, poison. This white crystalline substance, devoid of any nutritional value, not only satisfies our sweet cravings, but also deprives our bodies of essential vitamins and nutrients necessary for overall health. Recent studies have even credited refined sugar with promoting the growth of cancer cells. The bitter irony lies in how something so sweet can harbor such a dark secret. Soda pop's deceptive refreshment, with its enticing bubbles and refreshing taste, conceals a potentially cancerous cocktail within. Packed with sugars, artificial colors, and a medley of chemicals, this popular beverage creates an acidic environment within our bodies that can encourage the proliferation of cancer cells. A particular type of sugar found in sodas, known as fructose, has been linked to pancreatic cancer in certain studies. Furthermore, methylamine hazel, a chemical found in sodas, has also been identified as a potential carcinogen. That tempting brown hue of colas and soft drinks may come at a high price, the risk of cancer. Processed meats, a ticking time bomb. Processed meats, beloved for their convenience and flavor, are far from benign. These meats undergo chemical treatments to extend their shelf life and enhance their taste. The World Health Organization, after scrutinizing 800 studies, unequivocally labeled processed meats as carcinogens. Shockingly, consuming just 4 pieces of bacon daily can raise the risk of colorectal cancer by a staggering 18%. Sausage, bacon, ham, turkey sausage, and hot dogs, all staples of the processed meat category, hide this sinister secret. Microwave popcorn's hidden hazard. Microwave popcorn, considered a healthy snack by many, harbors a hidden danger within its packaging. The chemical lining of microwavable popcorn bags can decompose and form compounds linked to liver and pancreatic cancer. Additionally, the flavorings used in microwave popcorn can trigger a condition known as bronchiolitis obliterans. To reduce this risk, cooling the popcorn before opening it is recommended. The peril of dirty fruits, generally considered a paragon of health, are not always as pure as they seem. Pesticides used in fruit farming can leave residues that have been linked to cancer. Apples, peaches, grapes, and strawberries, among others, often contain the highest concentrations of pesticides. This makes them regular occupants on the dirty dozen list of fruits that should be consumed with caution. Potato chips, a crunchy hazard. Potato chips, those crispy delights, harbor a cancer-causing chemical that activates at high temperatures. Acrylamide, a chemical found in plastics, papermaking, and even cigarette smoke, raises concerns when it comes to potato-based snacks. The National Toxicology Program and the International Agency for Research on Cancer have classified acrylamide as a probable human carcinogen. This revelation extends to French fries too, as they share the same risk. Farmed salmon's false glow, celebrated for its taste and omega-3 content, may not be as wholesome as it seems. Farmed salmon, in particular, is prone to overcrowding, which prompts the use of chemicals to achieve that appealing reddish-pink hue. These chemicals, used to mimic the natural color of salmon, raise questions about the true health benefits of this beloved fish. Hence, it's crucial to scrutinize labels and opt for wild-caught salmon for a safer alternative. Canned tomatoes, a lurking threat. Canned tomatoes, a kitchen staple for many, can hide a hazardous secret. Some countries use a chemical called bisphenol A, BPA, in the lining of cans containing tomatoes and other canned foods. This chemical, banned in several nations due to its toxicity, can leach into the tomatoes when they're acidic. BPA has been linked to a host of health issues, including heart diseases, diabetes, and cancer. To mitigate this risk, opting for fresh organic tomatoes is the safest choice. Hydrogenated oil, a hidden transformer. Hydrogenated oil, the solidified form of liquid oil, is a common ingredient used to prolong the shelf life of various foods. However, this chemical transformation alters the structure of human cell membranes and poses a significant health risk. Trans fats, found in baked goods, deep-fried foods, margarine, and more, have been associated with an increased risk of breast cancer. These seemingly innocuous ingredients in our favorite snacks could be silently paving the way for cancer. White flour, a refined peril. White flour, the polished counterpart of natural flour, undergoes a rigorous refining process that strips it of essential nutrients. This type of flour is subjected to bleaching, often using chlorine gas, resulting in a product that is high on the glycemic index. Studies have revealed a concerning link between refined carbohydrates, like white flour, and a 220% increase in breast cancer among women. This revelation underscores the importance of reevaluating our dietary choices. Alcohol, a hidden catalyst. Often associated with social gatherings and relaxation, harbors its own dark secrets. Beyond the well-known liver damage caused by alcohol abuse, it is also linked to liver poisoning and liver cancer. Since 1988, the International Agency for Research on Cancer has classified alcohol as a cancer-causing agent. Notably, heavy drinkers face an increased risk of various cancers, including those of the mouth, throat, breast, and bowels. The lure of that glass of wine or bottle of beer may come at a considerable cost to your health. Pickles and salted foods, a salty trap. Pickles, with their tangy flavor and crunchy texture, are a favorite accompaniment to many meals. However, they come with a hidden danger due to their high sodium content. Excessive sodium intake has been linked to stomach cancer, as observed in a study where gastric cancer patients reported consuming a significant amount of pickles compared to cancer-free individuals. The allure of pickles must be tempered with an understanding of their potential health risks. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, uncharted territory. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, have become increasingly prevalent in our food supply. These organisms, often plants, have had their DNA manipulated to enhance their productivity and resistance to insects. While the full health effects of GMOs on humans remain inconclusive, studies have raised concerns about their potential harm. One study, in particular, found a connection between genetically modified corn and cancer. As these modified organisms continue to infiltrate our markets, it's essential to exercise caution and stay informed about the potential risks they pose. Artificial sweeteners, a bittersweet deception. Artificial sweeteners, often marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, may not be as innocent as they seem. Research on saccharin, a commonly used artificial sweetener, has shown that it can cause cancer, particularly in high doses. Aspartame, another popular artificial sweetener, has been associated with the development of lymphoma and leukemia in animal studies. While it's crucial to reduce sugar intake, substituting it with artificial sweeteners should be done with caution. Diet products, a web of deception. Diet products designed to cater to health-conscious consumers often contain high levels of sodium, artificial flavors, and artificial colors. These additives are intended to enhance taste and visual appeal, but can have detrimental effects on health. Chemicals in products like diet sodas and low-fat dairy have been linked to various cancers, heart problems, and other severe health issues. The pursuit of a healthier lifestyle may inadvertently lead us down a perilous path if we don't scrutinize the ingredients of these seemingly virtuous products. High-fat foods, a culinary risk. While the link between fats and cancer is not entirely clear-cut, consuming foods high in fat can contribute to other health problems that, over time, may increase the risk of cancer. Obesity, often exacerbated by a high-fat diet, is a known risk factor for cancers of the bowel, pancreas, breast, and kidney. Opting for a low-fat diet can help maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of these cancers. Animal-based foods, a feast for cancer cells. Cancer survivors and those seeking to reduce their cancer risk should exercise caution when consuming non-organic animal-based products. Numerous research studies have suggested that cancer cells thrive on animal-based products, fostering their growth and development. Consider adopting a vegan lifestyle as a possible path to a longer, healthier life without the consumption of meat. Smoked meats, the charred threat. Smoked meats, be they red meat or fish, offer a tantalizing smoky flavor, but also conceal a hidden danger. The smoking process used to preserve and flavor these meats retains significant amounts of hazardous tar, a known carcinogen. High sodium content in smoked meats further adds to the potential health risks. Additionally, barbecued foods should not be charred on the outside, as this can contribute to the formation of cancer-causing compounds. Dairy products, the dairy dilemma. Dairy products, including milk and cheese, have been a staple of diets for centuries. However, emerging research suggests that their consumption may be linked to an increased risk of ovarian, prostate, and possibly even breast cancers. While further research is needed to establish the precise relationship between dairy and cancer, it's essential to consume these products in moderation and consider alternatives when possible. Conclusion: in the quest for a healthier and longer life, our dietary choices play a pivotal role. The startling revelations about cancer-causing foods remind us that vigilance and informed decision-making are key to safeguarding our well-being. While the allure of these culinary delights may be hard to resist, knowledge empowers us to make choices that prioritize our health. As we navigate the complex landscape of modern diets, let us remain vigilant, read labels, and opt for healthier alternatives. Your future health may depend on the choices you make today.